Hello Internet, and welcome to my little corner of YouTube. So I decided it was about time I upgraded from my Logitech C920 webcam to a proper camera. This is the Sony a5100, or Alpha 5100, and I can't wait to get it unboxed. Right, so here I am, the overhead view. This is the box. So it's the Sony Alpha 5100. It has the kit lens is 16 to 50 millimeters, f3.5 to 5.6. It uses Sony's E-mount lenses. And I've already gone ahead and cut the seal, so get straight into unboxing. So we have a bunch of documentation, European guarantee information document, stuff about the power cord, other general stuff. It's an accessories booklet. This is stuff about NFC and a registration document. And wow, look at the size of this manual. Right, let's put all that aside because we're not really interested in any of that. Okay, so we have a lanyard, carrying strap. Oh, that's very nice. Okay. We have a UK power cable. Is that a European power cable? A USB cable, so that's USB-A to micro USB. We have the battery, USB power supply, mains to USB. Okay, that's it for the accessories from the looks of it. So, on to the main event. Give that box. Camera itself. Oh, that's nice. Wow, this is so compact. Very nice. Give you a view all the way around. On this side, we have the HDMI out and a USB, and it looks like the memory card slot. And it looks like it has a separate door just for the USB port alone. That's nice. On this side, we have an NFC pad. This actually can wirelessly transfer photos to your phone with NFC. You just tap your phone. I assume you need the app for that, but you just tap your phone and then whatever image you have open on the back of the camera, on the screen, will be transferred to your phone. So this is the battery door on the bottom. The screen. Oh, this is nice. So the screen doesn't spring up or anything, but it can be left in any position you want, and it will flip all the way forwards so that you can take a selfie or whatever, and you'll be able to see yourself on the screen, which is perfect for vlogging. Yeah, to be honest, this is my first proper camera. It was about time that I got rid of that or stopped using that webcam and started using a proper camera. I had a small point-and-shoot 2-megapixel camera many years ago, and once smartphones became a thing, I really didn't bother with a camera. This has been my first proper camera. Okay, well, it looks like the battery doesn't have any charge right from the get-go, but I'll charge that up and have a play about with this, and then at some point, I'll give you my full review on this, but this has just been a quick unboxing of this camera and all of the stuff that you get. I'm really excited to get to using this. I'm going to be using this with an Elgato cam link so that I can start recording videos properly instead of using the webcam. Okay, so as the battery's not charged, I'm not actually going to be using the battery anyway. I've got myself a mains adapter. What this is basically a dummy battery that goes inside the camera and then allows you to power the camera without the battery. This means that you can keep it on all the time, and it also means that it's less likely to overheat while it's being used. So I'm going to get this popped in, and we'll have a look at how this works. Okay, so inside the packaging, you get the dummy battery. This has a cable on the end with a female barrel connector. You also get this cable, which is a DC, it says here, DC step-up voltage converter. So it takes a USB input of 2 to 4 amps. You would then connect that to the battery, and then this goes into a USB port that provides 2 to 4 amps. I would have thought that not many chargers can do 4 amps. I have an Anker charger. I'm actually not sure what the Sony one by default uses. See if it says on the back. So DC adapter. Output 5 volts, 0.5 amps. So the Sony USB adapter that comes with the camera is not good enough. So I have an Anker one here, 3.6 to 6.5 volts at 3 amps, 6.5 to 9 volts at 2 amps, and 9 to 12 volts at, is that 1.5 amps? So in theory, this one's going to give me plenty enough juice, so I'm going to use this one. Right, so it should be a simple case of popping the battery door open, pop the battery out, and then stick the dummy battery inside. And there is, right at the end here, a little tab that can be flipped up to give room for the cable to come out. And then you can shut the door and lock it, and then the cable's in there. Right, I'm going to plug the USB in, and it's now powering up. Okay, so first boot, enter area, date, time. Is this a touchscreen? Don't think it is. Okay, so you navigate with the wheel here, so, and then there's the button in the middle. Yep. Okay, so Lisbon, London. Yep. Okay, so the date, time. Right, so you actually click like a D-pad up and down. Right, so that's the date and time set, and then it's telling me to go to sony.net/PM, play memories home, your PC software. Interestingly, the battery indicator is suggesting that it has 94% battery. Considering it doesn't actually have a battery installed, it is just using the dummy battery. That's a bit interesting. I would expected that to have said 100%, but apparently not. Right, that's going to be it for this video. There's far too many features to go through on this camera, and I'm far too much of a camera noob to really go through them properly without having a good play about with this camera first. Right, that's it for now. This has been a look at the Sony a5100. This is my new camera. We'll be replacing my webcam that I'm using at the moment, the Logitech C920. I'm really excited to start using this. I'm a complete camera noob, so I've got a lot to learn about this. I'm going to enjoy learning, but hopefully this will improve the quality of my videos. I hope you found this interesting and informative. I'll have a new video out soon. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.